Give me a better one.
Uh,
What was that?
dumb.
Do your fake sneezes.
I don't need to sneeze. They're not fake.
Now you're doing fake hiccups.
No, I'm not. Leave me alone.
All you want is attention.
Shut up. Ah.
If you get mad at them, they'll go away. Hold your breath.
So what's your deal? If your deal is getting the best deal.
They don't work like that. I wasn't even breathing.
Or go to taxact.com.
You know what hiccups are?
What?
It's a spasm of the diaphragm. So control your diaphragm. You're a singer. You got it. No, you don't. I'm a genius. Control it. Don't let it.
Stop.
Dang it. I'm posting it. Your dad's a genius. See?
Not everyone knows
Problem
how to
solved.
control that.
Problem solved.
How did you do that? How did you do that?
I'm a genius. Say it.
No.
Yay, I passed another one.
Yay.